Hi, welcome to EMP TV. Today we're going to be finishing up another product here for the Honda Talon. We're going to be showing you our aluminum lower door. As you can see, as always, they have a nice texture powder coated finish on them, little mini texture. Has a stiffening rib, stiffens it up a little bit. Has some gussets formed into the angle here, also adds some stiffness. You've got your 4 mounting holes. On the inside, we've added a hem for strength, also makes a nice smooth edge. And how these are going to mount, you're going to need 2 tools, very simple. A screwdriver, Phillips, and a 1/2-inch drill bit and a drill. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these doors, we'll come on over, I'll show you. We've already got one on there, but you're going to take your door, you're going to line it up with the edge, using these holes as a template. Drill a hole this size first, and then using your 1/2-inch drill, you put these bushings up inside there using the screws provided. It's a swell bushing. You put it in, you tighten it down, and it makes your door stay rigid. And we show you that door up close there. Got the EMP logo on it. That's style, it matches the plastic, and that's about all there is to it. That's our lower doors for the Honda Talon, and thank you for watching.